So in this media, we'll discuss about the general maintenance on the boiler. What are the general maintenance that we are carrying out on boiler? This was a direct question by the surveyor, and we should be knowing it. And as an engineer, when we are going on board, then also we will to know. Regular internal and external inspection of boiler. Any steam and water leaks, how to were minor which are noticed have to be regular internal and external inspection of boiler. Any steam and water leaks, howsoever minor which are noticed, have to be immediately rectified as they eventually become major and lead to shutdown of the boiler. So any externally internally leakages, whether it is minor or major, we have to rectify it. See, I have compiled these things from different sources, try to put up in simple words, so that is the reason why we'll just go through it. My idea is not to teach you all, okay, my idea is to bring the content under one umbrella so that it becomes handy for all of us to refer what are the surveyor expected questions and what are the surveyor expected answers. Okay, water dripping on casings can cause corrosion, and this water may be absorbed into the insulation lagging, causing external corrosion of the boiler plates and drums. Boiler water treatment, chemical deposits will accumulate on leaking steam and water valve glands, leading to corrosion. Due to feathering or incorrectly seating safety valves, their seats can be damaged permanently due to wire drawing effect if allowed to leak for long period. This wire drawing effect, it is also over a period of time, it is very bad for the health of the equipment. In this case, use easing gear and blow off any foreign bodies causing incomplete closing of safety valve. Ensure that casing drains from safety valves are clear. Check easing gear of safety for smooth operation and ensure that the operating cable tension is correctly adjusted. All boiler mountings and isolating valves to be eased up and operated regularly, and valve spindle to be lubricated with graphite, oil paste or MOS2. Okay, now see, this we are even doing it for your sea water valves. Okay, that we have valves we have to ease up, and overboard valves and all these valves, it has to be, there is a regular maintenance routine and maintenance checklist. In SMS also it is coming, in your planned PMS also it must be coming. So for boiler we are also going to do the same thing, okay, in our regular maintenance. Boiler sliding foundation feet to be inspected and lubricated with MOS2 and kept free of obstruction to allow the for thermal expansion of boiler. So what is the arrangement? Okay, and this was a separate question I have already covered in a shorts, that what is the provision that is provided for boiler, okay, the expansion. So we have sliding foot arrangement, that is the answer for it. Regular testing of boiler water and dosing boiler water treatment chemicals accordingly. We are doing boiler water test every week, and then accordingly we have to keep on dosing. Regular bottom blowing down and scum blow down to maintain boiler water in good condition. We have discussed what is bottom blow down, what is scum blow down. Bottom blow down, we are doing it for any deposits that is heavier deposits, that is like salts and carbonate compounds, which gets deposited over a period of time in the bottom, so which will ultimately take more space, brine or salt. So we remove it by bottom blow down. Any floating object, maybe little particle of oil, even if that we can see, or anything, any floating object which is not desired, just I gave an example because then oil will float above the water, so those things are removed from scum blow down. So we have valves provided for the bottom blow down, and on top we are provided with this scum blow down valves. Okay, the two may be on the overboard side, that is ship side, and two may be on the boiler side. Regular and routine cleaning of fuel oil filters and oil burning equipment maintenance, including main and pilot burners. Overall, that we are doing, we generally do it in the sailing period, because when your auxiliary boiler is not running, we are using either economizer or exhaust gas boiler we are using. So there we are using it. We are doing maintenance of, before reaching the port we will do the maintenance of this burner, pilot burner and main burner. Regular suit blowing to keep tubes clean during service. Even when during service we are doing this soot blow, for the reason being is that so that then any soot deposit that leads to a different condition altogether. Okay, that we have seen that in boiler video this fire, okay, fire of this your tubes, hydrogen fire and then your metal fire. Okay, so those condition has to be avoided. External water washing of heat exchange surfaces at regular intervals to prevent fouling. Monthly testing of boiler safety and alarms to ensure proper functioning, especially low water level shutdown and flame failure. See, even now when you visit some ports, especially in Saudi, Rastanura and all those ports, they before arriving the ports, they ask you to send us the report for the testing of your main engine alarms, generator alarms, boiler alarms. We have to send it to them. A very strict port. There are other ports as well. Just I gave you an example. So regular we are supposed to do this boiler safety checks and alarms. Regular blowing through of water gauge glass and remote level indicating equipment. Regular blow through of gauge glass, this is also part of weekly routine. Okay, blowing through boiler gauge glass blow down, people are generally reluctant not doing, but this is very important. Annual calibration of main steam pressure gauge against standard pressure gauge. Regular inspection of furnaces and combustion chambers, including the refractory, to confirm no spalling or slagging has been taken place. Refractory should be intact and not damaged or broken down. So regular inspection, this is all, this also comes in your maintenance part, and in SMS also it is given. So in this media we saw that what all different general maintenance of boiler is are there, and how we are supposed to perform it. Okay, so this becomes very handy as a part of engineers when we are working on ship and as per our exam point of view altogether. So these are very much practical questions, and we most of the things we are knowing, we know and we are doing also. So please keep these things in mind. This is the surveyor expected answers. Thank you for your support, thank you for your valuable time. All the very best for your future endeavors.